friends, welcome back to the vlog. I am just getting ready to go run an errand. I have one errand to run today, and you know, it's taken a lot out of me. I gotta be real. I have to go return a charm that I have from Catbird that needs to be repaired. So I thought that I had to take it to the post office, which I was kind of excited about because I don't know, I kind of love going to the post office for some reason. But it's actually UPS, so I have to go to the UPS store. There are quite a few around town, so I'm just trying to decide which one to go to. I'm pretty sure that they all are close to a Starbucks. And I'll be honest, it's been a little bit since I went to Starbucks, so maybe we'll do something fun while we're out and we'll go drop off the package and then go to Starbucks and then come back home, because who am I kidding? I want to be home, you know? See, I've always wanted to be a car vlogger, but I don't have a good place to set up my camera, and I can't decide if I should get like a big something to like keep it in place. Right now it's just balancing. So that's cool. I'm in line at Starbucks. We got the package dropped off. I didn't have to pay, so that was nice. So I had to order my huge, which is 7 shots of espresso, whole milk, 3 shots chestnut praline, 4 pumps of white mocha, 2 pumps of vanilla, and 8 stevia. Highly recommend. Really gets you going. And your bowels, I'll say. So this Starbucks that I'm at, on the back of it, like where their power like breaker boxes or whatever are, people put stickers all over them, and every time that I see it, I wish that I had a Yeehaw sticker so I could put a Yeehaw sticker on it. I usually carry some with me, you know, just to pass out merch to like fans that I see. It happens all the time. No, I do carry them with me though, just in case I'm like around a friend who wants one or whatever. They made my drink all wrong. I'm just kidding. You know, I got a matcha. I have not had a matcha from Starbucks in a bit, so. Tastes green. I guess they made it right. What can I say? The girls that get it. Oops. So I'm going to a friend's house tonight, and I told her I would pick her up some Olive and June stuff because I'm going to do her nails. But they were out of like pretty much everything. But I did get her some dry drops, and I got her this cute fake plant as a housewarming gift. She has cats, so I didn't want to get her a real plant. I got her just some like normal nail polish remover. Well then this bag is for me. All right, let's just, it doesn't matter. I got this candle, Blushing Amber. This is like my favorite candle from Target. It smells amazing. And I got these, which are sweatpants, and they're like light green, kind of quilted, because as we saw from 2 days ago, whenever I went to Target, I'm obsessed with anything quilted. And then I got this blue, it's just like a long sleeve, comfy top. Look, I got things, I got gifts for a friend, okay? I had to get gifts for a friend. I'm sorry if I also had to get gifts for myself. All right, don't judge me. Roll it, baby. Oh yeah. And potatoes. And beans.
Can it hear us?
Nobody
Jackie,
would go
I'm
down the
obsessed
aisle.
with watching people's vlogs.
I saw a pirate.
Me too.
Or at least what I
Like
thought was a
obsessed.
pirate.
I'm constantly watching vlogs.
Me too, they're my
He
favorite
had like
videos.
an eye patch and then
Me
like
too.
a super.
I need clips, dude. I got nothing.
Do the for the vlog, Parker.
Foxy.
Parker, please. Or do the Otis trick. The trout.
Should I play?
Walk as the weasel.
You think?
Play the hardest song you can play.
I mean,
I just finished doing a Lego stream, which was so much fun. I recently started streaming Legos just like randomly because it seemed like a fun thing to do. And today I started the bonsai tree that I showed in the first vlog. So I'm gonna try to input some footage of that. I guess I'm just gonna speed it up because as I was recording, as I was streaming, I realized that I had like a 30-minute clip and then like a 25-minute clip. So there's a lot of it. Hopefully y'all can see it okay. I honestly was pretty surprised with how much progress I made on it, which was really exciting. And next time that we work on it, we are going to be making the branches and the leaves that go on the top. So I figured we could do the green first, and then later in the spring, I'll do another stream and like switch out the pink for the green, like when the cherry blossoms are actually blooming. So that'll be really fun. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy some Lego footage. Bonsai tree. Let's do this shit. All right. I'm gonna move my water. Wait, oh God, I just recorded all of All right, y'all, I am absolutely starving because I just streamed not too long ago, but the birds eat first. Their feeders need to be filled, and I figured I would let y'all feed the birds with me. So I'm gonna set the camera up, hopefully in a way where you cannot see how messy the back porch is. We'll see. If you see anything dirty, don't worry about it. I'll give y'all a little OOTD. Usually we fill this all the way up, but we are out of blackbird seed, which I'm just now realizing. So that sucks. But, you know, they'll work with what they've got. Okay, this one's broken, so it's literally just pouring everywhere. Squirrels. So these are a really easy way to feed birds. They're called suet cakes. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's basically just like a brick of bird seed. And you can put them in like a cage type feeder and hang them up, and especially larger birds tend to really love these, like blue jays, woodpeckers. But they're really easy. I accidentally put these on my subscribe and save on Amazon, and now we have like 6 or 7 huge cases of these, so don't do that. They're kind of gross and sticky. Don't worry, I will wash my hands. I do not enjoy touching all this stuff that much, but I will wash my hands as soon as I'm done. And yes, I also am doing this on my lounge chair, but it's winter. I'm not lounging anytime soon, so I'll give it a good cleaning before I come out and use it in the summertime. I'm really bummed that we're out of the blackbird seed. That's their favorite. And I also have another feeder up here next to the kitchen window, but I can't reach it. I'm not tall enough, so Shane will have to do that one. See? Just so y'all can get a good idea for what we're working with, here is our setup for the babies. It's great. We've just got woods behind our house, so we get lots of birds. They're probably scared because I'm standing out here right now, but that's okay. We'll get some more action soon. Okay, I'm eating some baby carrots. Excuse me? This is not a baby. Boomer wants some. Let's give him some. Boomer, do you want to do a dance? Yeah, I bite off a piece for him. So sue me. All right, baby, here you go. Dance. Good boy. Dance. Dance. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. My finger. I've tried to film an outro like, I don't know, probably 75 times. And I keep saying just weird stuff. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I know this vlog was like kind of all over the place, but I hope that y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that I appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming back. And please remember to smash the like button, comment, tell me what your favorite Dorito flavor is. And if you don't like Doritos, why? Tell me why, okay? And most importantly, subscribe, because I am trying to get to 1 million subscribers by my birthday, which is May 14th. So I really think that's super reasonable. I think y'all can help me get there. We got this, fam. Thank you again so much, and I will see you next time, friends. Bye.